Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Rob in Michigan on his Galaxy dx2547. Rob, we undid all the things that was done to this. We shared that in a private conversation, got it taken care of. Got you ready to go here. I'll show you what we got. Alright, power all the way down. 5-watt slug. There's your half a watt. Five watts all the way up. Turn her back down here. 100-watt slug. We're gonna read average power. Hello audio. Hello audio. About 14-15 bird watts out of this single final. Look at the peak side. Hello audio. 31-32 peak watts. Alright, Rob, it's ready to come back to Michigan. Set up, ready to go. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.